G'day, it's John with Oz General Store. Today we're going to have a look at Raptor coatings. We were lucky enough to have Duffy, the national BDM, come in for a bit of a demonstration on some of our harrows. As you guys know, we also manufacture farm machinery. So here we are, we're applying a bit of etch primer. So everything's self-contained in this bottle, comes as a kit with the mixing cup. Chuck your hardener in there. It's a tintable version that we've got. So you add your 2-pack paint, you give it a nice big shake, screw it into the gun, and away you go. So after a couple coats, we've baked it 60 degrees only for 20 minutes, opened up the booth doors, and it's dried rock hard. Duffy, you bloody legend.